Hello world! Welcome to the Payroll Innovation Bot demo. The Payroll Innovation Bot, also called PyBot, is developed by ADP to enable people to access payroll information more easily. With the assistance of PyBot, companies can reduce the call volume in HR service and save budgets for human resource related issues. Also, with the powerful AWS Lex natural language understanding functionality, we can train the PyBot by updating the HR manager's feedbacks to the bot so that the PyBot can make better service in the future. Okay, let's go to Slack and see what we can do with the PyBot. First of all, PyBot is super user-friendly, especially for new hired employees. To talk with PyBot, you should start with py, comma, and a space before you input your command. By simply typing py start, you can see the guidance showing the supported functionalities. You can definitely type your py command if you're familiar with PyBot, or just click the buttons shown here. And it follows the questions for further information needed. After entering the start and end date, you can see a payroll summary. You can also ask for more detailed information such as deduction and employer contributions. You can compare your payroll with the previous payroll, and you can see a list of items with the differences between the two payrolls in the last column. So what if there's something you couldn't figure out? Two ways to handle that. You can simply use py command to create a random channel involving you, the PyBot, and HR manager, so that you can communicate in a more efficient way. In the second way, we need to use Trello. If the HR manager has set up the link from PyBot to Trello, following the instructions, all the employees in the same Slack team can report their issues to HR manager's Trello list. Once you click on an issue, the bot will immediately send it to the HR manager's list. You can also use PyBot command to report an unique issue with detailed descriptions. The Trello issue card will contain your name, employee ID, and issue description so that HR manager can have all the required information for issue tracking later. For all the reported issues, we store the record in DynamoDB for future analysis and investigation. For ADP internal teams, we made another bot, the PyDevOps bot, or dbot, which helps us track and monitor various job status on Jenkins server. You can ask dbot to list failed, successful, or all jobs in your specified dashboard. You can see the list of detailed information of jobs, including build status, last build number, executed, and more. There is also a clickable link that will take you to the Jenkins page. Once you have the job name, you can then go ahead and ask some details like last successful build time, who triggered the job, claim the build, and more. We also deployed our dbot as Alexa skill. Next is Alexa's showtime. Alexa, ask dbot help.
You can ask me to list you all failed, successful jobs in a specific dashboard. Then you can ask me for the detail of any of the job by referencing their index. See help card for more information.
Alexa, ask dbot to list all the jobs in integration.
1. Regression workflow C alpha. 2. Living documentation generation C. 3. Promote integration to demo for all apps.
What is the last successful build time of job 1?
July 11, 2017, 9:43 and 2 seconds.